How to change subtitles language in Crunchyroll. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open your preferred web browser. Then in search address bar, simply type down crunchyroll.com and navigate to the Crunchyroll's official website. And also make sure that you are logged into your Crunchyroll account. Once in there, tap on the drop down arrow or your profile icon available at the top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on it, a drop down menu will appear. From there, all you have to do is tap on the settings option available in there. Once you tap on the settings, tap on the preferences option available at the left hand side. Then inside preferences, scroll down and look for the subtitles. Then tap on it. Then scroll and look for the available subtitle. And all you have to do is tap on one according to your preferences. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.